Alrighty. We got a special guest out here again. I mean, we just had the other special guest, but here's the other fun joy. I tell people I got 2 kids, but it's more like I got 4. Two human children and 2 big freaking jealous baby that like to argue a lot, but it makes my day fun trying to get them to play together a little bit, trying to get them settled down sometimes and walking them and trying to play with them when my leg ain't absolutely killing me. And like a new toy I was describing at the end of my other video, we got my like a tug of war rope. Like a tug of war silicone rope, and that way they can't, because anything else in hard silicone, especially him, he'll chew if it's like any type of like string or. Nope, come back here. Here, come, check. Check. But, thought I heard like a dog shake its head or something. But, yeah. We got the toy for them to play, like tug of war. And I could play a little tug of war with them. But hopefully be able to buy the dogs more toys and like spoiling them with chewing objects. There goes David leaving. And apparently my neighbor. Alright, come here, Joe. Oh, excuse me. But, yes. This butthole is starting to, I don't know, he's drinking a blue Monster. I only drink the green ones. I even quit drinking Monster lately. See if that helps with the... Here. See, the truck's got some decent offset. Can't really see it, it's that far away, but... And that guy was trying to, sorry, something, bug or something laying on my lip. But that guy was sitting there, my ex, her boyfriend David, sitting there trying to get me to trade my Avalanche for his van. I told him, nah, I need my truck. Maybe I'll trade the blue Tahoe, but hopefully I get a Suburban. And then he was telling me that he talks to a mutual friend of ours, that the mutual friend doesn't tell me that the mutual friend that I've had in a couple of my videos, I've helped him with his truck a few times. And even I didn't video me doing the system in his Suburban when I gave him one of the
Huh?
Hi. I'm showing how awesome our split screen TV is. This bed is just been wow. Sometimes it's alright. Trying to catch it when it's really bad. Need to turn it off for a minute. Like, whoop, there you go. Diamond Brownie's toy. Oop. Joe. So, there he goes. Just getting that split screen action. Half, what was that movie Vin Diesel did? Pitch Black? Half Pitch Black and half, old antique show. Night Court, huh? Sit around. I used to love watching Night Court back in the... That and, well. Got my headset on. Kind of been listening to, I'm walking Diamond right now. So listen to Goon Squad. New video they just uploaded on my headset. And I'm recording on my new phone, so this is part of my plan to be able to versatile my abilities to do what I want, watch videos while I do stuff, because then while I'm working on vehicles I can be videoing with one phone and watching. Don't be missing other videos, so kind of works out. And mainly gave the kids a new working on cracked. Watch my other videos. Well, candy's not really cracked, but it messes up a lot, and it's some reason constantly kicking the Wi-Fi off, and it's really old, and kids be able to have an excuse to get them something cool. We never really can get them much fancy stuff, so I'm outside walking. I wonder if I can flip on this camera. I don't think I can, like people do on other phones, I guess. Alright, it's showing me a one-hand mode. I guess I clicked on the screen. Oh, okay, moved the thing sideways. I guess I can... I don't know how to change it back now. But now I moved the buttons for the record and pause and take a screenshot picture. And moved it like at a weird angle to the side of the screen in the corner. But we're getting outside walking down real quick. We gotta run up to Buddy's. We forgot my wife forgot to she just keeps up with that, the bills, but she forgot she got all the notifications saved on her phone under her reminders. I've been starting to do it on my phone so I can be aware too. So, but forgot to my son's bed. I had to get one. We moved in with my mom for a minute. I forgot the bed payment had to be paid at Buddy's. But it was pretty cool. They called to remind her it was due today. And then apparently they told her about some promotion they're having to not have any payments or any interest until February. And shoot, that's December now. Almost January. So, and the bed should be paid off by then. And then, so we'll just have the TV payment. But since my TV's cracking, I think did I won't get it in the video anyways. And I gotta find out what's happening on my channel, actually. I gotta talk about that. But hopefully I'm gonna go to Buddy's real quick, see if they have any. I can't go crazy big. Try to go decently sized, but can't go crazy big, 65 inch or nothing. But I should be able to get a new awesome electronic for the house. Maybe get a smart TV to break the news a little early. My little poor abilities to surprise anybody. It's gonna happen if it does. If it don't, then try to record how awesome that's gonna be. And then I'll be able to, like I did at my buddy Putt's house, be able to watch my channel and other people's channel on YouTube on my decency size. I was joking when my wife told me. I was like, we're gonna go get 130 inch. Yeah, 132 I think I said, but she was like, yeah. I was like, yeah, okay. We're just gonna cover the whole wall. But yep. Oh, I just had to turn around in circles because time went around me. My ankle was killing me. Oh, my leg is hurting so bad. I'm gonna get Diamond in here and be able to. Oh, and I want to know what's going on my channel. I posted 2 videos last couple days, and now it's saying that well, when I look at it from like my kid's phone or my other devices, my wife's phone on her YouTube channel, I got her subscribed to my channel, but it's not showing the last 2 videos I posted. So I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna post another video and keep on posting, and maybe I'll find out hopefully why, and maybe I'll eventually show the videos. Maybe I need to get in correspondence with the monetize and all that. Maybe that has something to do with it, because I've been doing my channel for a long time, and I've just been recording, editing on my phone, and uploading from my phone, and just being low-key, not doing stuff to be trending or famous or popular. I've been videoing my life, and hopefully me thinking about the copyright now, hopefully me not doing showing the other channels, the music channels I watch and the other YouTubers I watch. Hopefully I'm not going to get in trouble for that, maybe. But hopefully I'll figure it out. I'm going to grab beers, put Diamond up. And
Simon.
Beers. Come.
Beer.
Come here.
No.
Come here. Alright. Butthead finally came out. He's trying to play with Diamond. What is he thinking? What is he thinking? So, yeah, it was crazy bad trying to send. I tried to do it with Bluetooth. I did it from the other phones, and it was taking crazy long to transfer the video file. And then I texted it to my phone. It still took a while, but I'm gonna try to see what the other options So, but if it does take a while, then it takes a while. But it's a chance and leap of faith to do more. So, I'm going to take any leap of faith I'm capable. Don't really have the means and opportunity to have the money to, so I gotta take the steps I can. But soon to be able to put myself in the position to do. Oh, come on, Beard. Kill my lady. Beard's pulling me. No, stop. Alright, come here. Slow down. Good boy, slow down. But, alright. Look at that crazy sky. And it's not late either. It's only almost 6. It's 5:52. So that's crazy bad. Of course, it's always 50% chance of getting soaked here in Florida, just depending on what time you go outside. So, vehicle pulling in. There's a little Ford Explorer pulling in, look like new. So, somebody offered me $7,000 from my custom exhaust. Huh? Somebody offered me $10,000 or $2 or $5. I'm gonna take it to a scrapyard. Probably get $1.50. So I'll have $1.50 here soon. Maybe I could put that towards my channel. Maybe some gas, I guess. And see you in a minute. There. Go try to do something to better. See you in a minute. That's what TV is doing. Awesome TV. Wife. Christmas stuff. TV. The dog's playing with the new toy they got. For the first time they're actually playing tug of war with it. Not trying to kill each other. Beard's been like possessive. Ooh. About that new toy. Simon keeps on trying to like attack him. Try to take it from him. Diamond getting drugged.
Crystal's in the hospital.
Crystal.
Just for Crystal.
For what?
Diabetes pneumonia.
Pneumonia. Well.
Pneumonia.
Pretty bad. Pitbull bite. Oh wow. Pitbull hit a pedophile. And Beard's breed. Red nose. Red nose protecting a kid from a pedophile. That's why I got my two. Protect my little midgets.
Baby, why don't you go sit on the couch with Bobby?
Go sit up on the couch, baby.
You want your pillow?
Say please.
Your pillow's right there.
Please, mommy.
Come here.
Say thank you, mommy. Say mommy.
I'm cold. Are you cold?
You turned the fan on. I was hoping to catch Diamond growling like that on video, but
Oh, wait.
huh?
I said, oh, wait. I
Mm,
don't
okay.
want anything in it.
No, I'm pointing at the dogs.
My feet will get in it.
I'll hide your feet. Try and get Diamond barking at, growling at beers like that over the toy. Kind of like a weird looking rope.
Okay, I'll just take a spoon and a
Dog.
bowl of potato salad.
Toy.
You know what? That's a big bowl of potato salad.
The whole bowl.
That's a big bowl.
I can sit there and eat it all too.
I don't know if it was good.
Or I was playing with the new edition. So much better than not having to deal with that messed up screen.
Diamond, get down.
And it's free. A free 55-inch flat screen smart TV. Diamond, calm. Wife's setting it up and playing with it and figuring it out. Dog. Diamond. Another dog. Beers. Just laying down there chilling. But you, she's looking pretty. I gotta go on YouTube eventually.